Hi everyone, this is Valentina. Today I wanted to share with you how to make this pattern with a star stitch. I made one in a very thin yarn and also using number 4 yarn. So this pattern can be used for shawls, scarves, blankets. Very pretty, very nice. So the pattern repeats every 4 rows and fifth starts the same, repeats on the 5th row. So it is okay, star stitch and then shifts, second row double crochet, third row star stitch which shifts to the right or to the right or to the left, and then again double crochet, and the row 5 starts from the beginning, repeats. So then the pattern repeats every 7 stitches, multiples of 7, and then you add each additional stitch for the edging. Very nice, beautiful. Let's get started. So I'll chain 14 and then just add 2 to each side, 1 to each side, so it's gonna be total 16. So again, multiples of 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I add 2 for the side. So then yarn over. So for the beginning we'll skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and go to the 5th, but other than that later you skip every 3 to start. Okay, yarn over, insert here into the 5th, we skip 4 stitches, pull a little bit, yarn over, again yarn over, hold the yarn right here and pull through all the loops. Now come back into the yarn and between yarn and stitches, insert between yarn and loops, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the loop, and now yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, chain 2, and we'll repeat the same, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, 1, yarn over, insert again, yarn over, pull, now yarn over and hold the yarn right here and pull through all the loops. It might be hard to pull through that when you chain 2. If you make very tight, it might be hard to pull through that one, so make sure you're not making tight, just the way that it goes through the hook. So okay, just the tip. Okay, now chain 2 and we'll repeat the same, yarn over into the same stitch, 1 time, yarn over 2 times, yarn over, hold the yarn right here, pull through all the loops, come back here, insert right there, yarn over. Okay, we made a star stitch. Now skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and insert into the 4th, and let's make single crochet. Guys, if you need you are just a beginner and you need lessons how to make chain, how to double crochet or single crochet, there are the links just below this video. Please go and see those videos, and then you can come back and, or if you need to refresh how to make those, so go ahead visit those lessons, and then come back and see and crochet with me together. All right, so we'll repeat the same, but now we are skipping only 3 stitches, remember. So we're skipping 4 at the beginning, and later we skip only 3. So skip yarn over and skip 1, 2, 3 into the 4th, right here, pull a little bit, pull a little bit. Just repeat same thing as we did already. Yarn over and then pull through the loops, come back into the between yarn and the loops, yarn over, pull through, chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over, and just repeat the same thing, pull through, hold the yarn, insert between, yarn over, and chain 2, insert into the same stitch, pull the yarn, insert, pull like this, come back here, all right, and now just insert into the last stitch right here like this. So now we'll work on the double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn around, yarn over, and insert into the right here, double crochet, 1, 2. Now chain 2, and we'll insert into the very top of this star stitch. Just make single crochet, chain 2, and now we'll make 3 double crochet into between those star stitches into here. So yarn over and make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, and now go and insert into that very top stitch. We'll go right here, okay, with single crochet, chain 2, and we'll make 2 double crochet on this side too. Setting right here, 2 double crochet. So now we'll work again on the star stitch, but now the star stitch switches, so it should go here, here and there. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will not make the first petal because it will not give me the edge nice and even, so I'm just right now I'm making, instead of that one middle petal, I'm making just the side, I mean that side would be just to have that nice edging, same as here. So I don't have that middle petal, just to have nice edging right here. Okay, so yarn over and let's insert here, pull a little bit, yarn over, grab the yarn, pull, and now hold the yarn right here and pull through all the loops. Come back in between loops and yarn over. So now we'll go and insert right here with a single crochet stitch, yarn over, and we'll make petal into the middle between those. We have 3 double crochets, so we'll go here, yarn over, insert and pull, yarn over, insert and pull the yarn. Now hold the yarn right here, pull through all the loops, come back, insert into that between yarn and loops, yarn over, okay, chain 2, yarn over, and we'll make the same, repeat, pull, pull, okay, come back here, all right. So now chain 2, 1, 2, and repeat the same, yarn over, insert into the same loop, pull and pull, hold the yarn and pull through all the loops, okay, come back here, grab the yarn and pull through. So now I just connect right here at the top of here with single crochet stitch, and now I again yarn over, and will be working on a petal. So yarn over and insert into that side right here, pull the yarn, okay, and remember on the side you're making only 1 petal. And now chain 2, and we'll finish that one with double crochet stitch for the edging. Now we're going to work, turn around, we can chain 2, okay, actually let's chain 2 and then turn around, and now we'll work with double crochet stitches into the middle right here. So yarn over, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and we'll connect right here at that very top of that middle with single crochet stitch, chain 2, and we'll work on 3 double crochet to here, yarn over, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and let's connect right here with single crochet stitch, So now we have 4 rows right here, and the 5th row will repeat. So we'll work with the star stitch, and then with a double crochet, then we'll shift the star stitch, and then double crochet. So let's make another row. So yarn over, insert into here, that middle of the 3 double crochet stitches, pull, yarn over, pull again. So hold the yarn, pull through, insert in between, yarn over, okay, chain 2, 1, 2, and just 1, 2, this, okay, so 2, for some reason I made it too tight probably. Okay, here we go. So now I connect right here with my single crochet stitch and work on another petal right here, and then when I turn around I work on double crochet, and just so this repeats again. Gonna be same as row, second row same as 6th row, same as second, and so on. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.